Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon in Hydro Blue. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, removable rear quarter windows, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 6,000 miles in the odometer, 12.3-inch touchscreen, navigation, rock track heavy-duty full-time four-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, Sky One-Touch power top, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJB.com, stock number D7524.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.